Today we're making tuna and sweet corn and ham and vegetable cup quiches. This is a list of the ingredients we used, but you can mix and match vegetables you have in your fridge, and the yogurt can be changed for a splash of milk. Dice one medium onion and place it in the bowl. And then you add the sweet corn and the tuna. And add salt and pepper to season to your taste. Now give it a good stir, making sure you break the tuna up into small chunks. Crack 5 large eggs into a bowl. Add a large dollop of 0% fat Greek yogurt or a splash of milk. And then whisk the egg mixture thoroughly. Then you pour the egg over the tuna. And then give it a good stir to ensure they're thoroughly mixed together. You then want to spoon your mixture into silicone cases held in a muffin pan. And then sprinkle a small amount of mature cheddar cheese on top. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees centigrade, that's 390 degrees Fahrenheit. When the oven's at the correct temperature, pop the quiches in. Cooking time with our fan oven was just under half an hour, but the quiches are ready when they've risen and the cheese is starting to get some colour. Leave them to cool down for a couple of minutes in the muffin tray, and then take them out the silicone cases and leave in a cooling rack. To make the ham and vegetable, cut your vegetables and place them directly into the silicone case. Bell pepper, courgette, sugar snap peas, onion, and finally some chopped ham. This time we want 7 large eggs broken into the bowl, then the large dollop of 0% fat Greek yogurt or a splash of milk, season to taste, and then whisk the mixture thoroughly. Then fill each silicone case slowly with the egg mixture. And sprinkle some mature cheddar on top. And place it in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. In our fan oven, the vegetable quiches took just under 20 minutes to cook, but they're ready when they've risen and the cheese has got some colour on it. And then allow them to cool. And then when they're cool, they're ready to eat. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And we'll be uploading more recipes soon.